Welcome to the most epic journey you never knew was happening right under your nose. We're about to shrink down and ride the lightning through the incredible world of Raspberry Pi server setup. Buckle up because we're going full digital detective mode. Picture this, you're a tiny packet of data, racing through copper veins and silicon alleys at warp speed. Your mission? Transform a humble Raspberry Pi into a lean, mean server that can host home automation, media, or even run professional apps like Scorpion Scan. From this microscopic vantage, LED heartbeats look like city lights, and every boot sequence is a sunrise. We'll watch processes spark to life, services handshake, and tiny electrons high-five as the Pi wakes up for duty. Ready? Let's sprint into the motherboard and make something magical. Our journey begins deep in the heart of the Pi, those gleaming circuit pathways that look like digital superhighways from our microscopic perspective. First up, choosing your Pi model. Pick a compute module or Pi 4/5 depending on power needs. More cores, more speed, more glory. Next, we flash the OS. Download Raspberry Pi OS or a lightweight server image, write it to an SD or NVMe, then boot. From down here, it's like watching a digital construction site come to life. Configure SSH access. Generate SSH keys, disable password logins, and lock down root access. Secure tunnels for our remote packets. Install essential services, web servers, databases, or the small footprint runtimes that Scorpion Scan might use if you're integrating mobile workflows. Set up users, add sudo privileges, and enable automatic updates. Between commands, we zoom past blinking capacitors and resistors, cheering as dependencies resolve and daemons register themselves for work. Smooth transitions and careful checks keep the whole build stable and friendly for real-world use. Now we build the networking, a full transportation infrastructure for our data. Assign a static IP so other devices always find the server. Configure port forwarding on your router, add firewall rules with UFW or IP tables, and consider a reverse proxy like Nginx for secure HTTPS routing. Set up SSH on a non-standard port and enable key-based auth for extra safety. Add monitoring and observability, Prometheus metrics, Grafana dashboards, and simple health checks that, from our POV, look like traffic control towers guiding packet convoys. Automate backups and snapshot schedules so corruption or failure doesn't crash the parade. If you're running services tied to Scorpion Scan workflows, test direct plotter integration and confirm the phone-to-plotter data path is reliable and secured. As the final pieces click into place, holographic dashboards appear above the Pi showing latency maps, CPU load graphs, and successful job logs. The finish line is a spectacular finale. The Raspberry Pi glows triumphant, status LEDs all green, data packets explode into celebratory particle fireworks, and even the Scorpion logo flares briefly among the stars. From this tiny runner's eye view, you've watched inexpensive hardware become a versatile, powerful server. It's fast, fun, and affordable. Now go build your own digital highway and let those packets race.